This call is now being recorded.
If you're audible. Hello. Sir, audible. Hello. Audible or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Very slowly. Okay. See, as last class we given definition of gamma function. What is gamma plane? What is gamma n? Define. What is gamma n? Beta feminine also three formulas. What are the three formulas? Sorry, people are there or not? Are you audible? Hello. Nobody is talking. Everyone is there. Not hearing.
Sir, am I audible?
Clearly audible.
Sir, first one, integration of limit 0 to 1.
L. X to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
0 to 1, x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1. Another formula? Same beta feminine, how can I write? In terms of infinity means how can I write?
X power m minus 1.
1 by 1 plus x whole to the power of
M plus n.
m plus n dx dx. Then another formula 2 into 0 to pi by 2. What will it?
Sine power.
Sine
Sine power 2n minus 1 theta.
sine to the power of 2 power n minus 1 cos to the power of 2n minus 1. So r powers like this. So sine power cos. Okay. Then next what we prove. First class what we proved. Some proofs we proved, sir. What we proved?
Gamma 1 equals to 1.
Very good. Wait, coming. Gamma These all are okay. Suppose if I ask again, if you can, I don't remember the formulas. Gamma 1 is equal to 1, then
Gamma n plus 1 equals to n gamma.
gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma. See, this gamma n again using this formula, how can you write? Tell me. Gamma n plus 1 you are writing n into gamma n. Okay, yeah. The same formula I can use. Gamma n, how can you write?
n minus 1 into n minus 1 gamma.
Gamma of n minus 1. Okay. So what you get? N into n minus 1 gamma of n minus 1. Then again, if you write, what you get? Suppose if it is integer, up to where it will go, can you expect? Three to gamma. Correct? What is gamma 1?
1.
So from this, what you understand?
Factorial n.
So n factorial factorial. This is good result. Not wrong. Still above. Now you see. Suppose we are telling gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. That is nothing but n factorial. So gamma 5 is equal to what?
4 factorial.
Huh?
4 factorial.
Factorial 4 or 4 factorial. 4 factorial means what is the meaning?
24.
How do you getting? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 or 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial means that is the meaning of the factorial. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Why so dull? Similarly, gamma 7 by tau, can you tell me? See, here it's plus means what? Fraction means how can you remember? Gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. Is it correct or not? What I am telling? Gamma n plus 1, I am writing n into gamma n. Gamma n is equal to chemically n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. Agree or not? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So correct. So gamma 7 by tau, can you tell me?
Five by 2.
Very good. So 7 by 2 minus 1. Gamma of 7 by 2 minus plus means minus formula is minus means plus formula I will tell you. So this how can you write? 5 by 2, gamma 5 by 2. Then gamma
Again, we will open gamma.
5 by 2 into this is what? T by 2, gamma 3 by 2. Huh? Return it. Then gamma half is equal to root pi. Timing you can remember, these are improved. So I will prove don't worry. Gamma half is equal to root pi. See, beta mn they are giving in T formulas. Beta mn have hello? Yes?
Sir, can you repeat what is gamma 1 by 2?
Root pi. I will prove, don't worry. Time we can remember. 5 minutes wait, I will prove. Root pi. I will prove now, don't worry. 5 minutes. Time we can remember. After proving, I want to come back. Just I started this. But remember this, I will prove within 5 minutes. Okay? Gamma
Yes, sir.
root pi. Yes. Now, suppose same if I have gamma 9 by 2. This I will prove. Plus means minus formula using, minus means plus formula use. So 7 by 2 means that I use gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1 slowly reducing. And another fellow in my hand available gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So gamma n is equal to 10a, right? Gamma of n plus 1 by n. Agree? Are you agree or not? So minus means if I add plus 1 means it will reduce. So that's such way like actually. Sometimes they may ask you have only small properties only. They are not going deep problems in our case. So minus if I have means I will use like this. Correct or not? So gamma n is equal to how can I write? Gamma of n plus 1 divided by n. So gamma 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2, how you like tell me? Use this formula. Gamma 7 by 2 plus means what? I'm using this 7 by 2 minus 1, gamma of 7 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 reached a gamma 5 stop. So gamma n means what? If I use minus 1 again it will become big then it won't stop actually. So I'm same only same fashion I'm telling in different style. So gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. Gamma n now can I gamma n plus 1 by n. Clear that? So minus gamma minus 5 9 by 2 how can I?
Gamma minus 7 by 2 divided by minus 9 by 2.
Very good. Gamma minus 7 by 2 divided by minus 9 by 2. So this is equal to what? Minus 2 by 9 gamma of minus 7 by 2. Agree? Huh? Again minus gamma 7 by 2 how can you write?
Minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 7 by 2.
What? Tell me minus?
Gamma minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 7 by 2.
So this can I write in one stroke? Can you agree? Okay, yeah. What I written? Okay, yeah. I'm taking numerator minus 7 by 8, I'm writing minus 2 by 7. Are you agree or not? See, you only said gamma of minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 7 by 2. This 7 by 2 I written here. Now this minus 5 by 2 how can I write? How can I write?
Gamma minus 3 by 2 divided by
minus 5
minus
by
5
2.
by 2.
So that fellow become what? Minus 2 by 5. Gamma minus 3 by 2. Am I correct?
Yes,
Then
sir.
this fellow, how can I write? Then minus 2 by 3, gamma of minus of. Agree? Am I confusing? One step I am skipping. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Just one step I am skipping. Instead of writing denominator directly, one stroke I am writing. Okay, yeah. Now, what I will get next step? What I will get? Tell me.
Plus half divided by minus half.
Very good. Gamma of actually. Correct? Huh? So I will write here down. Maybe not middle. I will write. How many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This become what? Minus 2 by 1 again into gamma alpha. Are you agree or not? So this type of values. Then fill the above. And in beta, if you go, lot of properties are there. The relation between beta gamma alpha very good. Depend on lot of properties. Simple problems only. Beta of mn is equal to beta of nm. How will you do? Beta of mn I know or not. What is the formula? 0 to 1 formula I can use. Zero to 1 x to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. Now my aim is what? I want to prove beta of mn is equal to beta of nm. Then how you will do? Any idea? Actually, x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x n minus 1 means beta of mn. So beta of n comma m means how I will get that form x to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of m minus 1 dx. Or x whatever may be t. Variable is dummy. T means dt I will do. So any idea from here I want to go there. How you will do? Tell me whatever may be right or wrong. You give me some idea. I want to prove the beta of n comma m means what? I want to get that shape 0 to 1, something n to the power of n minus 1, something 1 minus into m minus 1 means I can tell beta of n. So how you will getting that shape? Any idea? From here I can go there. If it is possible, how I will travel? Definite integral, if you substitute something, the previous limit is what? For x values, limit 0 to 1. Now I am introducing t. For what values of t limits I want to see? When x is equal to 0, what is my t? When x is equal to 1, what is my t? Correct or not? There or not? Are you there or not? People are coming, going, only 50 students are there. I'm not
Yes,
taking
sir.
attendance, that's why people are paying every day. If I put option, you will get detail. 50, 47 people, including I am in 2 device. So 47 minus 2, 45 students, very bad. Okay. So when you are substituted, these limits are for x fellows. X is equal to 0 to 1. So I am introducing new fellow. For t, what limits are very, very important. If you not change limits, means the whole thing collapse. In integration, if you substitute it in different integrals, some formula means what? For new variable, what are the limits you have to tell? Okay. Now, lower limit. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to what? What is t?
1.
1. Very good. Super. Upper limit. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, t is equal to what? Substitute it.
0.
Very
0.
good. Now, for my t, I am running from where to where? 1 to 0. For x, I am running from 0 to 1. So, slowly can change. Sorry. 1 to 0. X become what? If you bring, then it's become 1 minus t. 1 minus x become what? T. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now, this minus if you take outside, minus of 1 to 0, t to the power of n minus n, 1 minus t to the power of m minus 1 dt. Integration one formula is there. Minus a to b means what? If you remove means what? b to a become. So if you want this remove minus means what? By m becomes reverse. 0 to 1. Now you see, whatever may be t and x are doesn't matter. Integration variable is dummy. Very first theorem is what? Dummy variable. So variable is dummy. T also t to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus t whole power n minus 1, 0 to 1 is equal to x to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus x whole to the power of n minus 1. All are same. So variable is dummy. If it is t or x, it doesn't matter. So this how it is shaped beta of n what? Beta of what? Beta of what? N comma
M.
M. But where I started my problem? Beta of Mn is equal to I started. But where I reached? Beta of N comma M. So from this, what you are understanding? What is your conclusion? Road. Any doubt?
Sir, can you explain the last step again, please? So the last
Tell.
step. Can you explain the last step,
Where
please?
this are. See, this is in terms of 1 minus x is equal to t. I am substituting this after changing the limits. I am getting minus of 1 to 0 t to the power of n minus 1 1 minus t whole power n minus 1 dt. So this is what if I remove the minus means what 1 to 0 becomes 0 to 1 t to the power of n minus 1 1 minus t to the power of n minus 1 dt. See, here is variable is dummy. If it is x to the power of n minus 1 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx or y to the power of n minus 1 1 minus y to the power of n minus 1 dy, whatever may be same value 0 to 1 is. Because of variable my value doesn't changes. So this properties appears actually beta of mn is equal to x to the power of m minus 1 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1. From this you see, if you feel just in blindly this x means what x to the power of n minus 1 1 minus x m minus 1. So m means what x power n minus 1. So it's n. So it comes beta of n comma m. M comma n means what x to the power of m minus 1 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1. X to the power of n minus 1 n means what beta of n comma n. But I started is what beta of mn. I reached beta of nm. If you are
Okay, sir, thank you.
getting on, any doubt? Okay, yeah. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
So beta mn is equal to beta nm proved. And another thing is very, very important property. Lot of things are there, very, very small things are there. If you do problems, you will enjoy. They are not very little bit only they are introduced. So many problems are there, integration problems. Just you can put 2m, always I cannot write 2m minus 1 shape, 2m minus 1 shape. Suppose sine power 7 theta, cos power 7 theta means what? Okay, suppose cos power 6 theta means always I don't want to go always 2m minus 1. Actually properly I want to write this. This is another form I will bring. Suppose if I put, I started substituting, this is substituting, not integration, 2m minus 1 is equal to 3. 2m minus 1 is equal to 2. From this, m is equal to what? Tell me.
T plus 1 by 2.
Very good. So, m is equal to what? Tell me. Tell.
T plus 1 by 2.
N.
Q plus 1 by 2.
Now, from this, where we will get actually beta of p plus 1 by 2, comma, q plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine power p theta Yeah, no. So sin for p theta cos to the power of q theta is to talk about beta of p plus 1 by 2. This 2 is important. If 2 is not there, we can divide by 2. Q plus 1 by 2. Remember, anywhere I will use somewhere if I get. Okay. Another important relation is relation between beta and gamma. They make an beta of mn is equal to gamma m. Gamma is m plus. Note down. Proof not required. Proof is there. Beta of mn is equal to calculate gamma m into gamma n by gamma. Now it's okay, this 0 to pi by 2 or 0 to pi r. Nobody is talking. It is 0 to pi by 2 or pi given yesterday.
Pi by
What is
2,
the
sir.
huh? What is the limit? Pi by 2 or pi?
0 to pi by 2.
Then nobody is talking. Sleeping, all are sleeping. Okay. Okay, m is equal to n is equal to half. What you will get here? But this is another proof is there. This is simple proof for proving gamma. If you go directly integration, this was somewhat a day. But beta of half, how can I write in this equation? Tell half if we substitute what will get 2 into 0 to 5 by 2. Put m is equal to half, what will get? N is equal to half.
D theta.
Very good. So sin for 0 theta cos power 0 theta. Anything for 0 is 1. So only stands with me d theta alone. So this fellow is equal to what? Gamma. Now if you integrate, what will you get?
Theta and limit 0 to pi by 2.
So 2 into pi by 2 is equal to gamma whole square. Okay, yeah. From this, what you understand? Gamma half whole square is equal to pi. So gamma half is equal to what? Root pi. Prove. Very good problem. Approved or not? Gamma half is equal to what? Root pi. But actually, if you go, actual proof is there. Gamma, if you substitute gamma half is what is very tedious. Something you substitute t power minus half will get lot of things are there. This is enough. This is enough. Simple proof. They never instruct you can go this line only, this form only, this way only. Do as you like. Okay, yeah. Any problem? Already in your first level integration formula where you studied or not, I don't know. What will you tell me? 0 to 5 by 2 sin cos 7 theta cos 7 theta means what will be? Integration formula is studied or not? Sin power n theta cos power n theta sin power m theta cos power n theta limit should be 0 to 5 by 2. Sorry, d theta I am not writing, very bad, Bapuji. It's nowhere related to beta gamma functions, but beta gamma also I will get this shape. So means what? 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7 beta means what? In beta gamma beta mn if you write means what? N is beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2 are given, you know. That is q is equal to 0 like this. So I can do, but that is I will do there later. But normally in plus 2 level in reduction formula is studied, you can remember this already. You may prepare for entrance paper, JEE and SRMS, a lot of things are prepared and lastly finally reached here. This formula already you know studied somewhere or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what tell?
7 minus 1 into 7 minus 3 into 7 minus 5
Ah,
divided by 7 plus 0 minus 1. So it's like this only. I don't remember it properly.
see, I will tell you this you can check whether right or not. 7 is what? Start with 7. 2 you can decrease. 5, 3, 1. Agree? Yeah? Then numerator you can start with 6. 6, 4, 2. Even power means finally 5 by 2 you can write. Otherwise don't write. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Like this you can remember. Suppose I think somebody in railway station traveling, some sound coming, railway announcement. Suppose cars are saying whatever may be, same story. This how you will tell according to my formula. This fellow start with 10. Then what will you get?
8,
8. Next.
6,
6,
Next.
4,
Next.
2,
Go 0% negative powers. Then numerator after start.
10,
8.
9.
Now,
9.
then I will tell you. 10 already use pantiyappa. Done already use pantiyamma. Then what you will do? Numerator is what?
9,
Ah, very good. Now only got it. Then,
7,
then,
5,
then,
3,
then,
1.
hey, 6. After 3, 6.
1, sir.
1 into will come.
5 by 2.
Very good. Even power means you can write 5 by 2. If you use reduction formula, lot of things they will do n minus 1, n minus 2, like this. No need. Just directly can write. Then sin and cos also same story. Up here clear? But same story, I will use beta gamma functions using and I can do. There you used actually lot of things when n is even, when n is odd, lot of things you are done. But here not like this. I can do attack nicely. Okay. Suppose this time they can remember. Limit should be 0 to pi by 2. This how you will write. Sign and both are present, powers are there. Then how we will do? Then denominator start. 7 plus 9 how much? 7 plus 9 how much?
16.
16. Write 16 here. Okay, yeah. 2 you can decrease, tell me.
14.
14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Stop. Correct? What is it? 6, maybe I made mistake. Then, only sign power 7 means how you will write? Numerator, tell me. How will you start?
7, 5.
7,
Sorry, sir, 6.
Not sleeping. 6 and 4.
4,
Next.
2,
Start. 9 means how you will start?
8.
Very good. 8, 6, 4, 2. Now you see, 7 plus 9 even means don't write pi by 2. Both are even only, can write the pi by 2. Story is same story. Here also even, here also even only. But some people 7 plus 9, 16 means you don't write. That's why I given that. Again, I will go on the things. Now denominator is what?
16.
Okay. Same only. Sin and cos 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 also 6. Don't worry. Cos and sin also doesn't matter. Places are changes. So denominator is, tell me what? 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. These all are actually entrance exams. Entrance you have to prepare like this. Now numerator how will you start? Cos 6 means from who will come first?
5.
Numerator.
5.
5. So 5, then
3, 1.
3, 1. 10 means who will come?
9.
Very good. 9,
1.
then 5.
7.
Then
7.
5, 3, 1.
5, 3, 1. Finally who will come?
5 by 2.
See, this fellow also 16, this fellow also 16. But story is different. Both are even only, can write 5 by 2. Reaching or not? Am I confusing lot? Am I confusing?
No, sir.
Very good. So 6 plus 10 means here difference is seen. 7 plus 9 also 6, but don't worry. So both powers are even means finally. But this is nowhere you are corrected beta gamma function. Beta gamma also if you write means what? This is P, this is Q means what? This how you will write beta of P plus 1 by 2, Q plus 1 by 2. From there you will write gamma function. Then gamma 3 by 2, that formula like this you will get. So lot of things are there. Same thing if I want to do beta gamma. But time we can remember. Suppose MCQ means what? You don't need to do gamma beta. Just like this, you can attack that. Okay. If you are not able to do some, at least minimum 1 mark also you will get. Some uploads also there in your exam. For 2 marks you have to solve and upload. 3 marks also you have to solve and upload. 15, 2 marks you have to upload. 3 marks you have to upload. 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 30 into 1 mark, 70 marks. So maybe your cycle test 3 will be conducted by Code Tantra. If you go away, if you turn your face also will be blocked. Artificial intelligence. Automatically notification will come. So you will enjoy that cycle test 3. Don't worry, you practice. Okay, I will stop here. This you can remember these formulas. Maybe MCQ comes means what directly can attack. Instead of beta gamma functions, we can do directly. Next class, some few.
So what if one is even and other is odd?
What? Same story.
If one-
Both are even only. Okay, you only tell. 1 is even, 1 odd means what? Then also what will you get? Then odd you will get. Sin power 6 theta, cos power 7 theta. Now 6 plus 7 is what? Tell me. Only condition is what? Both are even only. Otherwise, both are even. Not even means what? Fails. See, in general life, if you are a 90% good means what? I can say Anjali is very good girl, Tanvi is very good girl. But in mathematics, if you fail 0.00001% also fail only. Mathematics is very nice subject, very dangerous subject. 100% satisfies theorem only it will come. So this you see. Now 6 plus 7 how much? What I am telling? That's why you are given. This is what both are odd. But if you add, you are getting even. I am not considering. Both are even. 5 by 2. Here is what? Odd and even as you said. So what will be denominator? Come on, fast.
30.
11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Numerator 6 means how you will start?
5,
5, 3, 1. 7 means
6,
6, 4, 2.
6.
Don't go into number, don't go to the 0. We don't never get anything. Correct? Here nothing. Only both are even. So very, very important. Lot of things are there in maths actually. You will enjoy it. It's like a C. Integration is like a C. Each integral problem we can do in 100 types actually. If you are really involved in this part, enjoy with maths. Okay. I will stop here. We meet Monday. Anyway, all of you, happy Pongal and Bogi, happy Sankranti. Okay, bye. Yesterday nobody sent me. Who is the host? I don't know. Last class they recorded. I have not received. Kindly send me. Then who is recorded, just you can see details. You will get the host. Just ask him. Okay, you can leave now. You have class, another class today? Are you having class?
Yes, sir.
Then okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Last class you can send video for me. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.